Today I'll be showing you how to clean the platen roller and the print head on a Zebra ZT600. We get a lot of customers that will call up to the service team asking how to help out when it comes to print quality issues. And the first thing we have them try is cleaning the print head and platen roller. So this is the ZT600. The first thing I do is you open up the print head, remove your labels, and then what we recommend are easy wipes, which is 99% isopropyl alcohol. It's pre-saturated, so we just pull them out. Obviously, first thing I like to do is clean the print head, which is up here. There's a black line behind a green field, and you're just cleaning that a couple times. And if it's really dirty, you'll get a bunch of black soot and stuff, I guess, basically coming from the ribbon. And this is the platen roller that I'm talking about. You can hear it, you can feel it, and you can just rotate it. You're just trying to get all the sides. And once it should take about 30 seconds or so. Once you get done, you just got to go ahead and put your labels back in, close the print head, and then send it a print job and see if the print quality cleared up. If it doesn't, what we'll try is to replace the platen roller and or the print head. Thanks for watching.